OPPO has officially announced that it will unveil the much-awaited Find X8 Ultra flagship phone at a launch event on April 10th in China. This is OPPO Find X8 Ultra renders. What do you think? This is OPPO Find X8s, X8s Plus, and X8 Ultra official retail boxes. Now leaks OPPO Find X8 Ultra live shots. It feature a flat display. The camera module in the other image showcases a distinctive circular design with a sophisticated dual-tone finish. Now a new image has emerged, offering another look at the device. The OPPO Find X8 Ultra is featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, potentially paired with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. The phone is to launch with the latest ColorOS 15 build, an alert slider, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. OPPO Find X8 Ultra feature a 6.8-inch OLED display with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. OPPO Find X8 Ultra camera module layout: a 1-inch 50-megapixel Sony LYT900 main sensor, alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX9063X periscope telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882-6X periscope telephoto camera. A 32-megapixel sensor will handle selfies. OPPO Find X8 Ultra powered by a 6000 mAh battery with support for 100W wired and 80W wireless charging. The phone also has both IP68 and IP69 certifications. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.